The rule of 72 is the math trick that reveals exactly when your money doubles. And most people have never heard of it. What if I told you there is a simple formula that takes 3 seconds to calculate? It can tell you how long it takes to double your money, expose how fast inflation is eating your savings, and reveal the true cost of those small investment fees you keep ignoring. No financial calculator, no spreadsheet, just one number divided by another. In this video, I am breaking down exactly how the rule of 72 works, how to use it to compare investments instantly, and the two hidden uses that most finance content never covers. Here is the formula. Take the number 72 and divide it by your expected annual rate of return. The answer is approximately how many years it takes for your money to double. That is it. One division problem. Let me show you what this looks like with real numbers. If your investment earns 5% per year, divide 72 by 5. That gives you 14.4 years to double your money. If you earn 7%, divide 72 by 7. That is roughly 10 years. If you earn 8%, your money doubles in 9 years. Now look at the difference between 5% and 8%. That is just a 3% gap in annual return. But over a 40-year career, that gap is the difference between doubling your money 3 times versus doubling it more than 4 times. 3 doublings turns $10,000 into $80,000. 4 doublings turns it into $160,000. Same starting amount, same timeline, completely different outcome. And this is where most people stop. They think the rule of 72 is just for investments. But here is where it gets really powerful. You can flip this formula and use it against the things that shrink your money. Take inflation. If inflation averages 3% per year, divide 72 by 3. That is 24 years, meaning everything you buy today will cost double in 24 years. Your groceries, your rent, your gas. If your money is sitting in a savings account earning 0.5%, it is losing purchasing power every single year. Now here's the one that should make you angry. Investment fees. A 1% management fee sounds tiny, but divide 72 by 1, and that fee doubles every 72 years. Over a 30-year career, a 1% fee can eat 25 to 30% of your total portfolio growth. That small fee is quietly taking a massive chunk of your retirement. A 2% fee doubles every 36 years. That is even worse. Before you sign up for any managed fund, run the fee through the rule of 72 and see what it actually costs you over decades. You might decide to switch to a low-cost index fund instead. Now there are a few things to keep in mind. The rule of 72 is an estimation tool, not exact math. It assumes a consistent rate of return, but in reality, markets go up and down year by year. It works best as a quick mental shortcut for comparing options, not as a guarantee. Also, your real rate of return is not the headline number. You need to subtract fees, taxes, and inflation from whatever return you expect. If your investment earns 8%, but inflation is 3%, and fees are 1%, your real return is closer to 4%. Divide 72 by 4, and your actual doubling time is 18 years, not 9. Here is what to do with this starting today. Step 1. Calculate how long it takes your current savings or investments to double. Take your annual return and divide 72 by that number. If the answer is more than 15 years, consider whether your money could be working harder somewhere else. Step 2. Run the inflation check. Divide 72 by 3. That 24-year number is your deadline. If your money is not growing faster than inflation, you are losing wealth every year, even if your account balance looks the same. Step 3. Check your fees. Look at every investment account you have and find the expense ratio or management fee. Divide 72 by that percentage. If the answer is under 50 years, that fee is meaningful and worth reducing. Step 4. Use this to compare any two investment options. The one with the shorter doubling time wins, assuming similar risk levels. If this made the math of investing click for you, subscribe to Cash Blueprint for more breakdowns like this. And next, watch our video on zero-based budgeting, the method that helped save over $6,000 on an average salary. Because growing your money only works if you have money to invest in the first place.